Come down pretty good now, but a little thunder in the background. That one just bounced off the table. Looked like a ping pong ball. Most of these now are small, but every now and then a rather big one, about dime size, I'd say. Maybe a couple of nickel size. If we can get it bouncing off the roof of the house there. Mercy.